Adventures in van life, and today's going to be a little different kind of video. I'm going to be installing the E.E.A Vans side steps on my 2019 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 170 wheelbase. It's a very good product. This won't be a detailed install video. I will, if I can, link E.E.A Vans actual install video, which is very good. I've watched it several times through. It tells you everything you need, all the tools you need, and a step-by-step on how to do it. It's fairly straightforward. Probably the most challenging part will be removing the old steps that were installed by Embassy RV. There's nothing wrong with those, but for the way we use the van, these provide a little more clearance on the sides. They're a little narrower, so a little easier to deal with the rocks and boulders and things like that. And they also have holes in the step part that allow for sand and dirt to fall through and not get tracked into the van. And they look pretty good as well. I would say very good things about E.E.A Vans. Before I ordered them, I called them up to make sure I could get them in time before we leave on our trip on August 1st. And they said they could, and yeah, they were here in less than a week actually. And it's a freight delivery, so it's a big semi truck kind of thing that comes to your house and drops them off. But a very good customer service. And if you have issues along the way, or you need additional parts, they do provide some extra parts, and you can call them up. They're very responsive, and they will send you out some new parts if you need those. So first we'll get into removing the old steps, and I'll go through what I need to do. I need to relocate a couple things on the driver's side, I think. And we'll look at that, and then we'll get going. With a wrench, manually. I got smart. Put my socket on my drill, and then that came off in about 5 minutes. So now I move to the driver's side. Shows the bracket that I need to remove. So I guess with WD-40, I'm going to clean it up, get the mud off. Put some WD-40 on it to hopefully help loosen up the bolts. And then we'll get that off of there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them along it, so it shouldn't be a big deal. LED lights that need to be taken off, and then I'm going to verify they work. I'm not sure if they do. If they don't, then I will just obsolete them. If they do work, then I will probably attach them to the new step-ups, and we'll go with that. Our 2019 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 170. I did change the spacing on the brackets a little bit. There's one by the passenger side door. I put 3 pretty close together here. This is the area that's going to see the most weight. They're a little less than half the width of the old ones. And a new American flag also. On the driver's side here, had a couple things to work around. I had the tube that holds the gray water drain hose, and I detached it, painted it black. Now it sits up probably 2 or 3 inches higher than it did before. And if you'll see, the brackets have a chase that runs down them. It's running down that. For now it's just cable tied. I'll get some better clamps for it, hose clamps or something for it. The driver's side is a little bit shorter than the other one by a foot or so. Then the heat exhaust is up another 3 inches higher than it was before. I did crush it once with the old step-ups. Got tilted onto some boulders and crushed it a bit, but was able to fix it. Took me about 6 hours of work in this hot Florida sun. All done. Stay tuned for more projects coming soon.
What a nice flag. There he goes. There he goes.
All right, thanks for watching. If you got something on this video, please consider subscribing If you already have subscribed, thank you very much. It's appreciated. Hit the notification bell, like and share with anybody who might find it useful. Adventure on.